Good morning, one and all present. Myself Deepika Rathore from Class 8, and today I am going to give a speech on the topic Save Natural Resources and Save the Road, the Tiger. So, first of all, what is a natural resource? Yeah, a natural resource is something that is occurring naturally on earth. A resource is something that fulfills human need. It forms an indispensable part of our lives. It comprises of air, water, sunlight, coal, petroleum, natural gas, fossil fuels, etc. However, they are exploited by humans for economic gains. Natural resources are at depletion because of the overuse. Some of these are available for abundance and with the capability to renew. On the other hand, some are non-renewable. Thus, it demands a responsible behavior for conservation as to ensure their sustainability. Now, second thing, why we need to conserve the natural resources? Because we, the human beings, depend upon the natural resources for development activities. It would create imbalance in the environment if we do not use them wisely. The need for conservation arises from the significance of the natural resource. It is as follows. Water, it is a renewable resource, but it is used for many purposes like drinking, irrigation, bathing, clothing, etc. And it is vital for our living. Second, plant and animals. They provide a wide range of industrial and biological material. Third, fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are of great importance. A lot of energy is produced from coal, oil, natural gas, all of which are fossil fuels. Forest. It is the most important natural resource which helps in economic development. Sixth, land resources and air resources. Land resources support natural vegetation, wildlife and transport. And air is vital for our living. And I am going to tell you some ways to conserve our natural resources. First, environment education must be imparted by including the same in the curriculum of the schools, by reducing, reusing and recycling of non-renewable resources. Non-human species must be disturbed only for the basic needs. Planting of more and more trees to save our forest resources, by increased use of biogas and biofuels, by preventing overgrazing and stopping poaching of animals, by not burning much fossil fuels. These are some of the measures to save the resources. I give the conclusion for this topic that natural resources are a prison for the creation. This helps in satisfying the human needs to its fullest. Human beings cannot imagine their lives without natural resources. Thus, the conservation of natural resources is very important. So, our second topic is tiger. Tigers have become a very important topic of interest and issue all over the world presently. India is home of major wild tigers, about 2/3 of the world population. The reducing number of tigers have triggered the government. Apart from India, tigers are found in Bangladesh, Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, China, Indonesia, Myanmar, Nepal, Malaysia, Russia, Vietnam, Bhutan, etc. Below are some tips that will help us to make a way to save tigers. First of all, we can save tigers by first thing that we can do is create awareness among the people. Secondly, to preserve the tigers, we must stop the poaching. Thirdly, it has been found that the jungles are getting destroyed. So we need to conserve the jungles by creating so that we can create tigers and ecosystem for the tigers. Fifth and last, eco journey is another phase towards your effort to preserve tigers. By traveling on one such journey, you will be able to inform people about a particular situation of the tigers. So, I would like to tell you something that a recent study shows that tiger population has gone down by 97%. In 19,000, more than 1 lakh tigers were seemingly to roam around the planet, but that record fell to 3,200 globally in 2010. Project Save Tiger was an effort to restore the safe environments of tiger, which are numbered at around 3,000 currently. So, I conclude that we should save the tigers. So, I will conclude my speech with a poem and a song for resources. Resources, use them every day. Some of them are renewable, but some will go away. Hey, resources, what water and beach. These can be renewed again. Is not that a treat? Resources, oil, coal and gas. If we don't preserve these things, they will gone fast.